All right, so I like to paint, and I have a pretty small shop. So I had to come up with a creative solution to dry all the paint grade components that I've been painting. During my last paint grade cabinet job, I devised something I think is pretty cool. Now that, my friends, is my solution for how I was going to dry the paint grade doors and drawer fronts that I had. So how it works is it actually mounts directly to the cross ribs by actually hooking to them and then creating leverage. All you need to do to create this, and a whole bunch of them for drying racks, is to rip 10.5-inch strips off a sheet of plywood. Then cut those 24 inches long. And I'll show you the detail up close here. Boom. Now as you can see, it has a little jog in. Now that lip right here is actually designed to go over the support rib right here of my door. The idea is don't overload it. Just use it for simple things like cabinet doors. So when you make your first one, go ahead and use that as your template for the rest. Is it a perfect solution for drying your paint grade materials? Probably not, but in a small shop, it can make all the difference. Give it a try.